Let's go back to Leanne Cusack, who has Katrina Barclay in studio, and we're talking all about furniture.
And Graham, this was duck egg, but now did the Winnie the Pooh story inspire you to go kind of, red and yellow? Red top, yellow legs.
Well, maybe next time we'll do that.
Katrina's going to be at the home show as soon as you leave here.
I'm going straight
until
there.
Sunday. And kind of sharing the techniques. You mentioned that you're going to demonstrate how to create this finish in particular, or these two finishes.
Yeah, so you can come to the our Refreshed Furniture workshop space and sit down and do a class with me, 45 minutes to an hour. You'll learn how to do these two techniques.
Now, I mentioned or you mentioned to me that people are still painting wood, but not as much, sort of accents. This is a modern piece just at the front. Tell us about that.
Well, this is a trend that I've seen growing more lately. It's something I've actually always loved to do. I will leave parts in wood. I don't know if you can see, the front there is just painted in graphite. This is by a lady named Cecilia, sorry. She'll be at the show selling other pieces. But this is for mid-century modern pieces. It's a really popular thing to leave some of it in wood, or refinish the wood at least, and then paint out some of it.
And this piece, this little table,
what's the
technique? There's
so
sort of a lacquer.
That's an image transfer by Ann Barton, and her company is called AKB Creations, and she does a lot of image transfers. So it's a really beautiful, delicate look.
She's really putting the B in the AKB. We are going to show you what we're doing with this table, but first another little bit of a look at some of the images from the show, and this is where you get to actually be the DIYer. And do you see more and more people kind of making a shift to doing it themselves?
Oh, for sure. People want to get involved. They want to get creative. They want to learn how to do this. And I love helping people become creative and helping them find their creativity. So it's been a real joy of mine over the last 5 years to help introduce people to this.
And I think we did your first television interview about 5 years ago.
We did,
and then we had another one, sort of the advance, showing people with their before and afters. But I have to say, it's remarkable because how many people are contemplating painting out their vanities, or actually not replacing their kitchens, but painting out their kitchen cupboards.
Yeah, and it's really the eco-friendly choice too, to keep what's there. It's made of good solid wood, so just reuse it.
Now we have this good solid table, and we have about a minute left. We can't expect to fairly ask you to finish a table in a minute, but do show us the...
Well, I just want to show you a couple things. So this is actually a mix of two colors. It's using Aubusson blue and Napoleonic blue together. And I love this about Annie Sloan's paint, that you can mix colors together to make new colors. So I'm seeing a lot of this very rich dark blue that people are really wanting. Now, what I've done on the drawer here is I've also used the wax on it. So I've used the dark and the black wax to get a really rich dark look.
Because those are the same colors, but this is with the wax finish.
Yeah, exactly. The drawer has the wax, the other part isn't waxed yet. And I've sanded it a bit around the edges to show this duck egg underneath. You might as well use it. And I also just wanted to show you, Annie Sloan has some new gilding wax that is just wonderful. So we can gild handles. And so I can just really rub this on, and suddenly we've transformed this into a beautiful golden handle that's really going to match the blue beautifully.
That's fun for you, isn't it?
Oh, it is. Yeah,
because
I love
it really
the gilding.
does. Suddenly it pops.
Yeah, it really does.
So how long would it take the average person to paint the table? Do you have to, is there a curing or a drying process before you wax?
It's just so fast, really. To paint this might take you a couple hours, including the drying time, and then the waxing might take another hour. So you can have it done this evening, really, and in your hallway.
So that's great. You can actually create transformations throughout the day.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, well, so great to have you back.
Well, thanks for having me.
Are you kind of center stage at the EY Center?
Yeah, we have a big area there. We also are doing presentations on Saturday and Sunday.
Great. You're going to be a very, very busy woman.
I will.
Who is painting everything, Graham.
Looks fantastic. Thanks to both of you.